Why do some students walk into exams feeling confident while you're sweating bullets, despite studying twice as long? Here's the brutal truth that's been eating at you. They know something you don't. They've cracked the code to studying smarter, not harder, and you're still grinding the old broken way. Every late-night cramming session, every highlighted textbook, every panic attack before tests, it's all because nobody taught you the real rules of the game. Today, I'm exposing the 10 genius study hacks that top students guard like state secrets. Hack number 4 alone will cut your study time in half while doubling your results. Let's go to Hack 1. Kill social media, your brain's biggest enemy. Be real with me. How many times did you check Instagram while studying yesterday? Every single notification is like a reset button for your brain. Social media companies literally hire neuroscientists to make their apps addictive. You're fighting billion-dollar algorithms designed to steal your focus. Here's your escape plan. Phone goes in another room. Not silent mode, completely out of sight. Install a focus app that blocks everything for set periods. Studies show just having your phone visible drops your IQ by 10 points. That's like losing a full night's sleep every time you study with it nearby. Try this mental trick. Tell yourself, I'll check my phone after finishing this chapter. Your brain will stop fighting you and actually focus. The difference is insane. Next, the 2-minute fix that supercharges your brain instantly. Hack 2, hydrate and move. Instant brain fuel. Your brain is 75% water. When you're dehydrated, you're literally running on empty. That foggy feeling when you can't concentrate, that's not laziness, that's dehydration killing your cognitive power. Before every study session, drink a full glass of water. Not coffee, not energy drinks, pure water. Within 10 minutes, you'll feel sharper and more alert. It's like upgrading your brain's operating system. And stop sitting like a statue for hours. Your brain needs oxygen, and sitting cuts blood flow by 40%. Every 30 minutes, stand up, do jumping jacks, or walk around your room. It's not a waste of time, it's brain maintenance. Think about it. You wouldn't drive a car with no gas and flat tires, right? So why torture your brain the same way? Next, the perfect time to study that most students completely ignore. Hack 3. Morning study sessions. Your brain's golden hours. Night owls, this might sting, but science doesn't care about your feelings. Your brain operates like a phone battery. Strongest in the morning, weaker as the day goes on. Late night cramming is a lie you tell yourself. Sure, you feel busy and productive, but you're memorizing at 30% capacity. Meanwhile, 30 minutes of morning study equals 2 hours of late night grinding. Your willpower, focus, and memory are all peaked right after waking up. No distractions, no mental fatigue, no decision exhaustion from a full day. Test it for 1 week. Set your alarm 30 minutes earlier and study your hardest subject first. You'll be shocked how much more sticks. Next up, the one rule that cuts study time in half. Hack 4. The 80-20 rule. Study smarter, not harder. This is the secret sauce that separates A+ students from everyone else. Ready? 80% of your exam results come from just 20% of your study material. Most of your textbook is academic fluff that will never appear on any test. Stop reading every single word like it's sacred. Start thinking like your teacher. What concepts show up on past exams? What gets emphasized in class? What's in the study guide? Here's your new system. Grab old exams, highlight repeated topics. Focus 80% of your time there. Skip the random examples and filler content. You just cut your study time in half while actually improving your grades. Smart students aren't reading more, they're reading the right things. Be strategic, not busy. Next, learn any topic in minutes using this genius technique. Hack 5, Feynman technique. Master anything instantly. Albert Einstein said, if you can't explain something simply, you don't understand it. That's where this game-changing technique comes in. Pick any topic you're struggling with. Now explain it like you're teaching a 10-year-old. Can't do it? You don't actually know it yet. Here's the 4-step process. Choose your topic, teach it out loud in simple words. When you get stuck, go back and review. Repeat until you can explain it perfectly. This isn't just studying, this is brain rewiring. When you force yourself to simplify complex ideas, you create multiple neural pathways. The information becomes impossible to forget. Next, beat procrastination with this weird 25-minute trick. Hack 6, Pomodoro Power. End procrastination forever. Your brain isn't built for marathon study sessions. After 45 minutes, your focus crashes harder than a phone with 1% battery. The solution? Work in sprints. 25 minutes of focused study, 5-minute break. Repeat 4 times, then take a longer 30-minute break. Why does this work? Your brain loves deadlines and rewards. Study for 6 hours feels impossible. Focus for 25 minutes feels easy. You'll start more sessions because the commitment feels manageable. During breaks, move your body. Don't scroll social media. Walk, stretch, or grab water. Return to your desk refreshed and ready. This technique turns studying from a marathon into a series of sprints. Much more doable, way more effective. Next, the memory technique that makes forgetting impossible. Hack 7. Flashcard Mastery. Active memory building. Stop highlighting and rereading. It's the laziest way to study. Your brain learns through struggle, not comfort. Flashcards force your brain to work for every answer. When you struggle to remember something, your brain strengthens that neural pathway. The harder you have to think, the deeper the memory gets carved in. Use apps like Anki or old-school index cards. Test yourself daily. Focus on cards you get wrong. Each failed attempt actually makes you stronger. Next, never forget anything again with this spacing secret. Hack 8. Spaced repetition, the science of permanent memory. Cramming the night before is academic suicide. Your brain needs time to move information from short-term to long-term memory. Here's the magic formula. Learn today, review in 3 days, test yourself in a week. Each time you revisit information, your memory gets stronger. By exam day, you'll remember everything effortlessly while crammers are panicking and forgetting basics under pressure. Next, the ultimate test to prove you actually know something. Hack 9. Teach others, the knowledge acid test. Want to know if you really understand something? Try teaching it to someone else. If they get confused, you don't know it well enough yet. Explain concepts to friends, family, or even talk to yourself in the mirror. When you teach, your brain organizes information differently, creating stronger, more accessible memories. No one available? Record yourself explaining topics. You'll quickly discover gaps in your knowledge and fix them before the exam. Next, make studying addictive with this psychology trick. Hack 10. Reward system. Train your brain to crave study. Your brain associates studying with suffering because you never reward yourself. Change this pattern and studying becomes automatic. Before each session, pick a reward. Favorite snack, 20 minutes of gaming, 1 episode of a show. Your brain will start craving study time because it knows pleasure follows. This isn't bribery, it's smart psychology. You're literally rewiring your brain to enjoy learning. Your transformation starts now. You now have the exact system top students use. No more endless hours, no more forgetting everything, no more exam panic. I used to struggle just like you, procrastinating, cramming, failing. These hacks changed everything. I study less, remember more, and actually enjoy learning. Your turn. Pick one hack and start today. Which one are you trying first? Drop it in the comments. Hit like if this helped. Subscribe for more study secrets. Now stop watching and start applying. Your future self will thank you.